Christmas 2020 at Redwood Camp. This is our beautiful spot where we've held workshops for over 15 years, and we welcome you today. Charlotte has learned a new word, which is toyon, and she's sitting. This is Dakota, the nursery dog, on the table. He's always everybody's favorite. We have TJ, the nursery dog, causing trouble roaming around, and Kevin Allison, the master of all things nursery, is behind the camera. And you're here with us, albeit through YouTube. Welcome. What we have is an instructional video coming up, but let me just mention what you will receive if you sign up for the do-it-yourself kit at Tree of Life Nursery to make your own wreath at home. You would come to our nursery and you will pick up a box which will have the base wreath, which is made from a native grape plant, and you will receive in the box all the greens necessary, the evergreen plants, which are cypress and pine and incense cedar, 3 or 4 different types of cypress, and some California bay, and a few enough accents, white sage and toyon berries, and a few pine cones for you to make your wreath. What you will not get is the creativity and the skill which you provide at home, and you'll have to provide your own floral string, which comes in a roll, and you can cut it into the lengths necessary for your own wreath. Debbie and Hilda will go into details on whether you make a half a wreath or a full wreath and the technique involved, but I just wanted to mention this is the idea that on the specified date, you can come and pick up your kit and then follow the instructions of this video to have your own wreath at home. So Charlotte's going to be the youngest student today, and I'd like to present my wife Hilda, my daughter Debbie, and granddaughter Charlotte one more time in order to simply say, let's get started with how to make a wreath Hilda style at Tree of Life Nursery, Christmas 2020.